case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States District Court for the District of South Dakota in 1980 heard a case that centered on a tragic event and whether the government had control over and responsibility for the consequences. Thompson v. United States scrutinized the boundaries of employment, drawing attention to the pressing question of who bears the liability when tragedy strikes under unusual employment conditions. The case was initiated by a mother's grievance against the United States government for the premature loss of her son, Tommy Thompson. He met a fatal end at the hands of Benjamin Kitto, a Comprehensive Employment and Training Act, CETA, trainee serving as a police officer for the Crow Creek Sioux Tribe. Kitto operated from the Bureau of Indian Affairs police station when the incident took place. At the heart of the legal battle was the challenge of determining if Kitto, as a trainee, could be categorized as a government employee under the Federal Tort Claims Act. The lower court, siding with the plaintiff, recognized Kitto in this role, given his day-to-day responsibilities involved managing tribal policemen. The judgment, therefore, placed accountability on the shoulder of the United States government, the acting defendant in the case. Delving into the specific circumstances of the incident that led to Thompson's dreadful demise, the court determined that Kitto was practicing his firearm skills when the fatal shot was fired. The court rejected the defendant's stand that the act was predominantly an intentional move, ruling it rather as an act of negligence. The consequence of the court's decision held the government liable, ordering them to compensate the plaintiff for the monetary loss caused by Thompson's death. The court assessed the financial harm endured by the deceased's beneficiaries to be $35,000. Yet, it denied any damages for pain and suffering due to the absence of corroborative evidence to prove that Thompson was conscious after the shooting. The verdict thus concluded with the court directing the government to pay a sum of $35,000 to the beneficiaries of Tommy Thompson.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class